a link to WhatsApp from a different app. There are two ways. The first way is a link with your phone number, and the second way, the link without your phone number. Go to the WhatsApp settings. In right upper corner, tap three dots, then Settings, and here choose QR code on the right side. After that, take screenshot. Press on button with lower volume button. We take screenshot and then go to the browser. In the browser, find QR code scanner and next find the site, for example, the first site after sponsored, QR code scanner. We haven't take photo in this site, and let's try the other site. Here we can upload image. Click Upload Image, then tap Upload QR Code, choose our QR code, then tap Done, and below we have our link. Copy it, copy link address, and then go, for example, to the Instagram. Here tap Edit Profile, then Add Link, Add External Link, and in URL paste our link from QR code. Title, for example, my WhatsApp, then click Done in right upper corner, return, and here our link. And the second way, if you don't want to use QR code, you can set a simple link with your number phone. For this, tap Edit Profile, Links, our link, and instead QR code and our code, paste your phone number. For example, 1-410-410-1010. It's our phone number. Tap Done. And it's our new simple link to our WhatsApp account. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.